Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FoodyMomm. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing besan ladoo, which is very humongous job to make one, but I am using very simple recipe for it. So I'm just using these three ingredients, trust me. And if you want to add another ingredient, that would be dry fruits, which are optional. I might put it in the end for just garnishing, or I might not. So the three ingredients are ghee, which I'll be using 5 tablespoons, about 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and about a 1 big cup of besan, that is gram flour. And only these three ingredients I'll be using to make this recipe, and it is very easy one. The main thing is in the roasting, so you have to really roast gram flour besan really well to bring out that nice, that bhuna hua wala jo flavor ek aata hai, that bhuna flavor, that roasted flavor, because it has its own unique flavor attached to it. So you have to really roast it really well. So now let's start with the recipe. So once our ghee is melted well and is heated well, we will drop the gram flour into the pan or into the kadai, and you will keep roasting it, keep stirring it. So from here on, the main thing starts, that you have to really roast it really well on slow to medium flame and keep stirring it, otherwise gram flour besan will get burned. So it's been 5 minutes now since I'm mixing, and if you feel that balls are being made while roasting it, you can just use a service spoon and you can just break the balls. So as you can see, after nice roasting, besan has turned to this color and it is roasted well, and aroma is also coming of that unique flavor and of that fragrance that tells you that actually the gram flour has been roasted. So now putting in the condensed milk, which is sweetened one, like so, and we'll mix everything really well. So now I have transferred into a big bowl, and now I am combining the ingredients. I have put in about 1 service spoon of clarified butter, that is ghee more, and now we'll be combining it to form balls, which will be our ladoos, like so, as you can see I'm doing. And finally your ladoo will be made. Combine it nicely. So as you can see, the ladoo is ready. So let me make few more and then I'll show you. So here you go, the ladoos are ready. I've garnished them with some sesame seeds. You can garnish them with cashew nuts or almonds as per your choice. So I really hope that you will like this recipe. If you do, do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye bye.